So today we are going to go over creating our initial React application. And on the board I talked about doing it through npm node package manager. So here I am CD'd into my local repo for this class, CPSC3900. And I'm going to start off by installing the create React app dependency created by Facebook. And I'm going to globally install that. I already have this installed, so it might just update the version. And what did I do? I forgot to type in install. Okay, clear. So now I'm going to type in create-react-app, and I'm going to call this React class example. So this is pulling in all of the third-party libraries, all of the boilerplate code, and creating a working base app that has tests, CSS already built into it. So the result of this will be a working web page that gets hosted on port 3000. Alright, so I'm going to ls and see what I got here, which is the equivalent of dir in Windows. And here we have React class example. So I'll cd into that. And now I'm going to npm start it. And you'll see that it goes ahead and opens up your browser to localhost 3000. And now we have our React app that it created for us. This is the default for every app that Create React app creates. So I will open up VS Code in here and open a new project. And here's everything that React generated for us. First thing is that this uses npm, just like our web services. And you'll see that it already pulled in dependencies for us, React, React DOM, and React Script. And it also already created all of the scripts for us that we'll need by default. So npm start is what we're going to use. If you decide that you want to build your website and post it on like a FTP file server for consumption, then you would run build, and that would generate a standard HTML page out of what you've built. And you'll also notice that it has a browser list of what it works well on. So what does it not run well on? i.e. less than version 11. And not the miniature version of Opera. So, and now we'll go into the public section here, and here is our index.js, and it's very bare bones here. Like I said, a lot of this will be magic. The important thing to notice is that div has a div in here inside the body, and the ID is root. So then you go into the source, which is the guts of your application, and we're going to look at the index.js, and there's a lot of React-y syntax in here. But the main thing is that this index.js says that it's going to render the app.js component at the document's root element, which we saw in the index.html. So then the part that the user works with, the developer works with, is mainly going to start in the app. So that's going to conclude this video.